sir. Yes, sir. I'll send it to you in 2 minutes. Alright. Hi. Sometimes it's quite difficult getting anything good these days. Especially when you're in a world where if you don't have other careers, you're in trouble. There are so many skills required from employers and even clients alike. But it's a thing of the past now. Ever since I graduated from Praxis Digital Academy, I am now a digital marketing expert. My friend Tunde is a guru in 3D animation, cinematography, and photography. How about my best friend Esther? She's now a professional video editor, video producer, and motion graphic designer. You're not out of luck though. Praxis Digital Academy is holding classes in 3D animation, cinematography, production, web development, and more. You can send an email to info@praxis.ng or call the number that's popping from your screen. Don't say I didn't tell you. Another business call. Hello, sir.